I always wanted to do a one brand makeup video, but I never had a complete set of products from one single brand. But today, this wish is also coming true because today I'm going to show you my makeup, my Swiss Beauty haul, and going to do a full face makeup using those products. But the word but is more consistent in my videos than me on YouTube. I still don't have every single product for full face makeup look. Still, we are going to manage and you will see how. Here is a quick note. I purchased 3 makeup products from Swiss Beauty and thanks to an offer, I got 3 free from of their choice. So while doing the makeup, I will tell you how they perform and I'm also going to tell you which ones are free and which one I actually purchased using my own money. Plus, to make this a complete one brand makeup video, I am going to use a couple of products which I have purchased previously, not recently but previously, so that we can have a full face makeup ready of Swiss Beauty. Now that all important updates are out of the way, if you are excited to see what all I got from Swiss Beauty and how I create a full face makeup look using those products, then please keep on watching. For the base, I'm starting with this Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer. It has dewy finish, it has glitters, fine particles of glitters in this. And since I do not have any highlighter, powder highlighter in this kit, so I'm going to use this a lot because I want it to work as my highlighter as well. Then I'm using this Super Radiant Skin Tint, and it's a skin tint, guys. It works like as a BB or CC cream, but it is not a pure foundation. So this is very lightweight, and as you can see, this blends really well into the skin. I really like how it looks for no makeup look, or for summer hot days which are already here. This is going to be a really nice pick. This has really hydrating formula, so for dry skin people, you are also going to love this. For my under eyes, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty Select High on Cover Concealer. I have already shot an in-depth video reviewing this concealer particularly, and that is going to be up just right after this video. I'm really impressed with this concealer because it gives a good coverage. It is medium to full coverage, and it blends really well into the skin. So I'm going to apply this on my forehead, bridge of the nose, cupid bows, and a little bit on the chin. And I'm also doing spot correcting because I have a few pimple marks, but let me adjust the camera first. I have a little bit darkness under my eyes, and it did cover that darkness while highlighting the high points of my face and the under eyes as well. I do not have any compact or loose powder from Swiss Beauty, so I'm going to use my OG Maybelline Fit Me loose powder to set because we are using a concealer, so nonetheless we need to set it. Now, I really had no idea what to do with this instant cover pan stick. It was darker for me, but not that darker, but I still used it as my contour. But it did, made a little bit difference, not much, but just a very little difference. I tried to use this for something, but it didn't work for me. Now for blush, I'm going to use this matte lipstick from Swiss Beauty. I really like this shade. I don't think I have anything similar to this shade, and it was so pigmented and it was drying out very quickly, but surprisingly it was blending so well. I thought that I applied a little bit extra, so I went back to my foundation brush and toned it down a little bit. Now, using the same brush I used for blending the lipstick on the cheeks, I applied a little bit blush on the nose as well as on my chin. Now I really like this final output. Now it's time to set everything in place. So I use this very famous, really hyped up makeup fixer from Swiss Beauty, and the pump was not my thing at all because it was really on the face. It has a little citric kind of fragrance to it, which made me cough a bit, and I was really not enjoying this, but it did set the makeup really well. For my eyes, I use this Ultimate eyeshadow palette in the shade 04. This I already had in my Makeup Vanity previously, which got expired, so I had to dispose that. But I needed a really good palette because the Mars one that I bought previously when I created my makeup kit, those are not really pigmented like this one from Swiss Beauty. I have to say that the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow pigmentation is really up to the mark and good. This particular palette is a dupe of some Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. So I use this lightest shade from the palette as transition shade, and I use this mauvish shade on the outer corner of my eyes, creating a V kind of a look at the outer corners. This palette is really very pigmented, so I'm going with very light hands and trying to build up gradually. Now for crease, I'm using this burnt orange shade, and I'm going really light handedly on my crease, and I'm really liking this little transition going on my eyes. Now for half inner eyelids, I'm going to use this only shimmer shade from the palette. It is little copperish, goldish, and I really like the pigmentation of this one as well. And I wanted to try as many shades from this palette as I could, and wanted to create a good makeup look so that you can see that this palette is really versatile and has good pigmentation as well as it's buildable. For the lower lash line, I'm going to mix both these shades, and I'm going to apply very light handedly and not going very over the board with this. I found this packaging really nice and luxe, so I thought to show it to you as well. This eyeliner is also very good. It has very precise tip, and this is the first sketch eyeliner in my vanity. And today I wanted to create a inner corner winged liner, and I made a blunder, guys. You will see how. So far everything was going good, but when I started making the inner wing, I made this blunder, guys. I do not know why. Today is just not my day. Lighting was not that great like always. There was a lot of noise in the background, and look at the eyeliner. I'm literally a pro. I consider myself pro while applying a liner, but this time I failed it so badly. So I gave up. So I moved on to lips, and I applied the same lipstick I used as blush, and I used my fingers to blend it, and I applied second coat also and again blended it with my fingers. And while all this was happening, I forgot to take final look shots. So I'm done with the makeup, guys, and this is how it looks. As you just witnessed that I made a blunder while doing the eye makeup. Actually, the overall eye makeup was going really well. I was liking the how it was coming out gradually, but I really made a mistake with eyeliner. I should have watched some tutorials or videos before doing this on camera, but I took my own sweet time and fixed it really well. And I think if you ignore the liner part, everything is really good. I'm really liking the shade of lipstick. This is so me, and this palette I had previously as well, and I really don't know what to do with this instant cover pan stick. This is not either my shade, and I don't think that I'll be able to use this any which way, so I'll have to pass it on to someone. I really like this skin tint a lot because it gave me that natural dewy and see-through my skin but better like finish. So I highly recommend this. If you want natural makeup look, then this skin tint from Swiss Beauty Select is really good. Then of course this Swiss Beauty Select High on Cover Concealer is amazing. I did not use any color corrector. It still concealed my dark under eyes really well and also highlighted them so good. And the lipstick as blush is also looking very nice. Everything else was really nice, except in fact I would say that the eyeliner is also a good product. It's transfer proof, it's waterproof, it will not smudge, it's smudge proof, and it has a very nice and precise tip. It's just me who made the blunder, so it was completely on me, but ultimately this is a good product if we not go by my technique. And of course this real makeup base is really highlighting and illuminating and dewy, and I love how dewy my makeup looks. Still I haven't applied any single highlighter on my face. You saw that, and you can still see that glow going on, and that looks really very nice on me. So if you want a good dewy hydrating primer kind of a thing in your makeup kit and also skincare, then this would be it. And with that, we finish the video, guys. While doing makeup, we all make mistakes, and that was a genuine mistake. That was a genuine mistake, guys. Today is really not the day to shoot anything because there is so much noise in the background. किसी की टंकी भर गई है, पानी गिर रहा है, and the makeup also didn't go so well. So today was not my day, but I'll still upload this video because that's how we work, guys. We do struggle while making videos. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell, and don't share this video with your friends and family. If you want, you can, of course. And I will see you in my next video, guys. Till then, stay safe. Happy Holi. Bye.